Why people are talking about the insecurity problems in Nigeria? The Nigerian senators are sharing 500 million each from the 3 trillion that they said it was missing from the budget. I was so surprised how Senator Jarigbe exposed this today. Look at what happened in the Senate floor today.
Mr. President, sitting as chair, distinguished colleagues, thank you, Mr. Chairman, for yielding the floor to me. I thought when the chairman of appropriations spoke, it was as clear as crystals that there was a misunderstanding of the figures. When he came up with the GOEs and all the agencies on first line charge, there is no difference between the figure he reeled out and the figure purported to be padded. I thought with that matter would have been rested by Senator Ningi, saying that this 3-point-something billion, trillion was not part of the budgetary provisions printed out for us. That would have settled this matter. We are going forth and back on these issues and coming up with issues of the budget and individual issues concerning what came to our various constituencies. If we want to go into those issues, all of us are culpable. Some senators here, so-called senior senators, got 500 million each. I am a ranking senator, I didn't get. Did I go to the press? Most of you got. And yes, if we want to go into those issues, excuse me, if we want to go into those issues, yes. So I think that Senator Ningi,
I'm seeing about, yeah, I know, Jarigbe from where?
That is my position. Wahala now, you see the wahala. No. Point order. Point of order. Million pro. Na leader now.
I want to appeal to my decision. Order! Take your seat.
It's like that. It's always hot-tempered. Even in House of Reps, causes trouble. It's minority leader like that. Yeah. How about her? No one else anything. I'm the money. Okay, you are finished.
I have finished.
Yes.
Okay, let me just go back.
Rowdy.
Another senator's actually, she is on this one.
You don't want to sit down and listen to this one.
No,
It's your senator that caused it.
His brother that caused it.
His mother is senator to me.
His what?
His mother is senator to me.
For 9 courses
My
fight
senator
now.
He's more than a senator.
Okay.
We are not from the same zone. You understand? But he's more than a senator.
Amma akwai wata abu a ƙasa ne.
Akwai mana suna da parts.
Akwai abu a ƙasa.
Wannan tunani ne.
A yanzu ma ga shi da documents turum a hannunsa.
Yes, but that's the Nigerians are very stubborn people. Yes, it's on life right now.
Take your seat, take your seat. Take your distinguished colleagues, take your seat, take your seat. Dr. Sars, take your seat. Take your seat, take your seat, take your seat. Senator Cyril, take your seat. Senator.
And you can see how they shut him up. They shut him up and everywhere just scattered. Now, there was another man that was suspended today because of this issue. Because it's like there were some persons that they did not give enough money out of the money they shared. So those people now are telling them, why are you people looking for this money that is missing? It was among the money we shared. Some of the senators got 500 million. Some of the senators got above that. But I did not get as much as they themselves. That is the issue causing trouble. It is important that Nigerians know their enemy. Our senators are part of the enemy we have today. The APC controls senators. Where are they taking all this money to? According to Senfobara, what are we even struggling for? People who have the money, who have the power, one day they will sleep, they did not wake up. What are we struggling for? This could be the money to buy ammunition for the soldiers to fight insecurity while people are dying. This could be the money for the poor people that they're supposed to share. This could be the money for student loan. This could be the money to tight roads. This could be the money they're supposed to use to buy fertilizer for farmers. This could be the money they're supposed to stop Fulani terrorists, to stop Boko Haram that is going on in Nigeria. This could be the money that they're supposed to do good things. But these people don't care. They are senators, including the Labour Party, the APC, the PDP, all of them inclusive. I'm not seeing anything different among the legislative members, both the lower house of assembly and the upper house of senate. They are all the same. There is no opposition. Nobody is standing up. This is my first time of seeing opposition among themselves, not even from Labour Party, not from PDP. Opposition among themselves that are raising their voice and saying, look at how things are, look at how things are supposed to be. This is very, very shameful. This is very, very shameful. But you know what? People will still come out and begin to defend all these things. People will still come out and begin to defend all these lies. People will still come out. If you talk, they will tell you, keep quiet. And they are suffering. Who has done this to us? Who has bewitched us? Some people are still supporting these people. Look at. Some people are still supporting them. I don't know our problem. But you know what? Nigerians are going to learn in a hard way. You see what is going on in Nigeria, kidnapping, everything. Time will come very soon. People are going to learn in a hard way. APC, Tinubu, Buhari, El-Rufai, all this cabal. If El-Rufai can bring Tinubu to power, do you expect Tinubu to fight insecurity? We know the story. We are all Nigerians, yes. We know our history. We know our story. We know our story. So you are expecting Tinubu to change anything, Abi? We are not ready. When we are ready, we will know.